HubSpot Service Hub's ChatBot, honest review, watch before using. If you're considering HubSpot's Service Hub chatbot, this review will give you all the insights you need. Watch before using. Links to the product can be found in the description below. Let's dive right in. HubSpot's Service Hub chatbot is an advanced tool designed to streamline customer support, enhance user engagement, and provide instant resolutions without human intervention. Some standout features include its ability to automate repetitive tasks, collect customer data seamlessly, and escalate complex issues to live agents when needed. It integrates directly with HubSpot's CRM, ensuring that customer data is centralized and accessible across your team, enhancing personalization and efficiency. This tool is best suited for businesses that receive a high volume of customer inquiries and want to improve their response time. Whether you're running an e-commerce store, a SaaS company, or even a service-based business, the chatbot can save hours of manual work while maintaining a professional and friendly customer interaction. However, it's not just about automation. The chatbot also supports customizable workflows, allowing you to tailor the experience based on specific user journeys. For example, you can use it to book appointments, provide FAQ support, or even qualify leads. It's perfect for businesses looking to scale their customer service operations without proportionately increasing their costs. That said, it's important to note that HubSpot's Service Hub chatbot works best within the HubSpot ecosystem. If your business isn't already using HubSpot tools or CRM, you might face a steeper learning curve or additional setup time. Overall, this chatbot is an excellent investment for growing businesses that value customer experience and want to integrate AI-powered solutions into their operations. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and actionable insights. Your support helps others discover valuable tools like this one. Thanks for watching.